ating pagsasamahan. Eh syempre, I love you lang.
Pa rin silangga sa mga dahilan kung bakit kinakaya ko lahat ng paratang sa akin ng ibang tao. Dahil sa magic words niya, lumalakas ang kalooban ko. Salamat Palangga for always being there for me, lalo na sa gabing ito, o sa umagang ito. At kahit ang daming struggles, nananatili ka pa rin. Hindi mo ako iniwan at binitawan. Thank you so much, Langga. Basta lagi mo rin tatandaan na nandito lang ako kapag nahihirapan ka o nalulungkot ka. Nandito lang ako palagi kapag kaya ng oras ko, sasamahan kita, alam mo yan. Alam mo ba na sa lahat ng first time ko sa buhay, ikaw ang nakakasama ko sa pagpunta sa dream place kong puntahan? Alam mo din yan. Sa mga first time kong maranasan sa buhay ko, ikaw ang palaging nandyan. Salamat sa princess treatment mo. Napakaswerte ko dahil nakatagpo ako ng understanding na tao. Napaka-faithful, madiskarte sa buhay, matulungin sa kapwa, at hindi pinapabayaan ang pamilya. Halos lahat ng katangian nasa iyo na. Salamat Ga. Sana hindi ka magsawang mag-intindi at maghintay sa akin.
My eyelids are starting to get a little bit heavy, but I don't wanna sleep tonight. And I'm trying to stay awake, but my body feels so weak. It happens to me every time as I lay here tonight on this bed all alone. I'll try to convince myself that I don't miss you at all. But every time the lights turn off, I gotta face the truth. And even though I try all day, I try all day not to think of you. Every time I close my eyes, I see your face. And it doesn't matter just how hard I try, I can't escape. I don't wanna fall asleep, 'cause I know that I'll see you in my dreams all night long. I don't wanna fall asleep, 'cause I know that I'll see you in my dreams all night long. I don't wanna fall asleep. When the morning is here, I know I'm gonna be just fine, and I won't be missing you at all. So all I gotta do is make it through to the daytime, and the pain won't be there anymore. And when people ask me, I tell them I've been good since you've been gone. But soon as the day is over and I get home to an empty house, I know, baby, when the lights turn off, I gotta face the truth. Even though I try all day, I try all day not to think of you. Every time I close my eyes, I see your face. And it doesn't matter just how hard I try, I can't escape. I don't wanna fall asleep, 'cause I know that I see you in my dreams all night long. I don't wanna fall asleep, 'cause I know that I see you in my dreams all night long. I don't wanna fall asleep. I know eventually that I'm gonna be okay, but right now I'll do almost anything just to go a day without seeing your face. 'Cause the memories are just killing me. But I guess I gotta take it one step at a time. When I close my eyes, I'll be hoping tonight that I'm gonna keep you right out of my mind.